Hey, it's David. I want to show you a quick new improvement we just made to the scheduler that lets you override auto scheduling when you need to. So if you're not familiar with auto scheduling, it automatically schedules your tasks based upon their dependencies. So if one task on your schedule gets delayed, it's going to automatically push back all the dependent tasks downstream. Now it's super helpful because you don't have to manually adjust your entire schedule every time that something changes. But sometimes your dates are locked in, a contractor might be scheduled to show up on a specific date like the 16th, and you don't want that task moving around with auto scheduling. In those cases, you'll want to override the auto scheduling feature and lock in that start date. That's what our new date lock feature does. It lets you override auto scheduling for an individual task and pin it to a specific start date. Simply toggle the task from auto to locked and then drag the task to any date that you want it to start. It'll stay locked in place on that date while the rest of your schedule keeps taking advantage of the auto scheduling feature. So give it a try and let us know what you think.